Agua frescas are honestly the most delicious drinks ever, especially when it is hot outside. The weather is getting super warm, and this one here tops it all. Let me show you how I made this delicious agua fresca de nuez. Perfect thirst quencher, super delicious. To begin with, I'm going to start toasting 1 cup of pecans. I do have my heat at a medium, and I'm just going to be mixing it until it gets nice and toasty like this. To my blender, I'm going to add the pecans and 1 can of evaporated milk. And now I'm going to blend this up. I just blended that up like really quick. And now I'm going to add 1 cup of whole milk. To this, I'm also going to be adding half a cup of sweetened condensed milk. And a tablespoon of vanilla extract. And I'm just gonna blend this up. Adding ice to my pitcher, and I'll be adding in 1 liter of water in parts and the mixture that I just mixed. And I'm also going to be adding in about half a cup of whole pecans and a little bit more ice. And I'm going to mix this, and this agua fresca de nuez, it's ready, and it's ready to enjoy. And here I have my cup. Now I'm going to just pour me some of that deliciousness. I'm telling you, this is probably one of my favorites among other favorites of agua frescas that I make. This is super satisfying, super delicious. You're gonna love it. And now this agua fresca de nuez is ready. It looks so delicious. We're gonna try it. Cheers. It's perfect. Tastes so good. It's not overpowering sweet. It's actually perfect. Now, the sweetness is going to depend on you. Now, not everybody has the same sweet tooth or the sweetness, taste buds. So, you're definitely going to have to just do it to your liking. The half cup of sweetened condensed milk that I added was enough. It was perfect. You could also substitute that for low calorie sugar, stevia, or they have different options at the grocery store. Um, but I know that you're going to love it. Tastes so good. You can definitely taste the pecans in there. The taste of the nuez, oh, it's just so delicious. I love agua frescas. This is my second one I've made this year, and I'm definitely going to continue to make more. So watch out for those videos. And that is how I make my agua fresca de nuez. Super delicious, super satisfying, thirst quencher. You're going to love it. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please do so now. It doesn't cost you a thing, but it does help my channel grow. And don't forget to click that notification bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. If you happen to make this recipe, let me know. Leave a nice comment down below. Give me some feedback, what you would like, what you don't like, what you would change. I always love your feedback. And we hope to see you in my next video. Bye.